Hey, what's up traders? Hope you are well. Muro here, and this is Bitcoin. Bitcoin did what I had spoken about in my last video update, but it was the less likely scenario, but it happened. So we had this crazy pump almost up to 9k. And what I did is I did a mistake by closing my long positions early. So as you know, I had some good entries, guys. I had validated here a strong zone for entries because we had that event that I had been speaking about in my videos. So this supply zone was broken, right? So when this supply zone was broken, I had validated this here as a strong zone, and that bigger traders are placing new orders here, new trades to make the price go higher. And I did enter here long positions with tight stops, and I scalped this range here. Okay, I closed here for small profits. And last night when Bitcoin, hold on, let me draw this one here as well, because this is also a bullish engulfing structure that I had mentioned, right? After this down move, so when the price did rally here, also broke here these resistances, these smaller supply zones, and so I had validated this as a strong that we should watch as well. Price came into that zone 2 times before it then went parabolic. Alright, so when I had my long entry here, why did I close it for small profits? Because guys, yes, I had expected consolidation, but why did I close my position after we had already after we already had a consolidation? Why did I close my long positions here? Guys, to be honest with you, it was simply a stupid mistake. Okay, maybe I was distracted. Maybe I was not focused enough because I spent less screen time, to be honest. Almost 0 screen time, you know. I was on phone and so on. So I could have kept the long position. And imagine if you had an entry like this here, because I had my stop below this one, as I mentioned in my engulfing zones video. So if you have a position like this, an entry like this with a stop like this. So these are the trades that I did, okay? 6R, 5R trades. But imagine if I had kept it simply just to try it, you know, because I mentioned in my last video update there's a possibility that Bitcoin pumps up to 9k. Look at this sick risk to reward, guys. Look at this here. You see this? I mean, this is insane, right? So if I had only risked $100 here per trade, okay, just an example, I would have made almost 7k with that $100 that I had risked. Imagine you had risked $1,000, then you would have made, yeah, right, guys, you would have made $60,000 if you had risked $1,000 here in just one day. So that you understand this risk to reward ratio here. Yeah, so last night when the price was at 777, I really thought to myself, okay, this will break up. This will break up and pump up to 8,000, and I should simply long into resistance. That was my thoughts. I even thought about posting that trade, okay? When price was at 777, I was really thinking about, because we had this Darth Maul candle here as well, you see this? And I thought to myself, come on, let's just long here. We can put a stop below this one. Okay, but somehow I really don't know why I thought, okay, just let it, just go to bed and forget about it. This is what happened. So if I had just longed into resistance with a stop below here, because I had no positions left, okay, I had closed my positions already, it would still be a nice trade. You see this? Not as good as this entry here with the tight stop, okay, but at least I would have caught some of this move. But again, guys, this entry here that I had with the stop and with the position size that I had here, because I had entered a nice position here, if I had kept it, really today would be a big day for me if I had held the position. But I wouldn't have held it anyway. I would have taken profit because, as you know, I tried to short around here. After I got some small signals here in the smaller time frame, I even tried to short. Yeah, this is where I tried to short. This consolidation here. Problem was I was looking at the small time frame. Okay. I saw this pin buy here and I thought, okay, we get a correction probably. But not immediately stopped out. So my entry was here, stop here. It was really a tight range, so not a big loss actually. But again, guys, nothing compared to what I would have gotten if I had just kept the trade. This one. Really. But to be honest with you guys, missing out trades like this, it sucks. Of course it sucks, but I am not personally, I'm not getting emotional about it, really. Maybe because I am not, yeah, my life doesn't depend on trading, you know what I'm saying? I don't have to make money every day. I don't know, I'm not getting emotional about it if I miss trades. Yeah, it sucks, of course, for a few moments. If I think about it, how much I could have made, but I'm not getting emotional about it because there's always a new chance, a new opportunity in the market. So when you miss something like this, then you will catch something else, as I told you many times. So this is simply, to be honest with you, this is simply a yeah, 16% move in crypto. And currently in this market that we have, with all the derivatives exchanges and all that, this is not a big deal, guys. 15% move is not the world. I mean, yeah, for Bitcoin, for one day, it's a big move, for sure. But in crypto, guys, you know, in crypto, a 2x or a move like this is not the world. Okay, you can find things like this every day, every second day, once per week. You know what I'm saying? You can increase your leverage, you can be more focused and try to get another entry like I had shown you here in the smaller time frame. If you work on strategies like I did with this engulfing break zones, okay? This is the method that I created with this bearish engulfing structure, the zone that breaks it, the bullish engulfing structure zone that breaks it, that I validate this zone as a strong one, is my personal method. Okay, I have not learned this from someone. So I am working on methods to find better trades in the future. So yeah, maybe I missed this one today, but in the future, if I work on my TA, if I educate myself and use things like this, and then try it better next time by simply keeping my position, because this is something I did this mistake many times, too often, that I had a nice entry and I expected a bigger move, but I closed it early. This is, by the way, this is one of the biggest mistakes that traders do, and I'm not excluded, guys, okay? This is something that all the traders have to work on, have to improve to make it better. And yeah, imagine I scalped these moves, I had these nice entries with nice positions, and then one day later, you know, they tricked us, they made this consolidation so long. Look how long did consolidate here. 5 days. It is for crypto, that's a lot. You know what I'm saying? It was so boring. So this small consolidation range made the people think that the move will probably be a small move up to 8.2 or here 7,300 or so. So we had not big expectations. I mean, yeah, I had this scenario in my mind, but did I expect it this hard? To be honest with you, yeah, although I had it in mind, when it happens, it is something else, isn't it? I mean, yeah, it looks normal after it happened. Yeah, look at this. After it happens, let's look on the daily time frame. It looks pretty normal, right? The usual BTC. Look at this. Looks normal, yeah. Uptrend and then a pump. But guys, honestly, it is something else. When you trade this, you have to just be focused and catch that moment. You know what I'm saying? You need the idea in the right moment. So your brain has to make that click in the exact perfect timing that you say to yourself, okay, I have a big position, I have a good entry, my stop is fine, and I just keep this position with strong hands. And that's what I should have done. Then today I would probably make a big giveaway on Twitter, really, but maybe next time. So yeah, this is it. Hope you are safe, hope you are fine. Have a good evening. Bye bye.